So it's guys' night in the garage, and the official project is to try and make the drive motors and wheels off of that sweet little unit, power that sweet little unit for our buddy Little D, because he's got to be in a cart, and sometimes that cart is really hard to push through soft ground, grass, sand. But if it had some more flotation, like Power Wheels tires would offer, maybe it would be easier. So we are gonna try and get him going off-road. It's gonna be sweet.
Oh, the steering wheel. Man, that one come off. You don't need a steering wheel. You got a little grinder you cut them off.
Well, let's see what the shaft does. Okay.
No, it's coming. You kill it. Oh, wait a minute. That'll work the problem, Kurt. Here you go. Put that back. Keep that home.
Oh, it's got the Handicap too.
There it goes. Whoa, mouse nest.
Nice.
There you go.
Mint.
Does that make it a
So
barn
we're-
find?
Now it's a barn find. It's worth twice as much. So you got a couple screws here. We can get that electrical system pulled out. Rodents evicted.
That's not all we need though. Hang on a minute, actually. Let me get rid of a couple stanchions here real quick. If I get rid of this right here. There, that'll slide right out. Put up there. I can give us more.
Highly doubt you need more.
Okay.
We're wasting our time, so.
Well, yeah, no, I'm on your team here. I like it. Here is
Power.
Hey, it works.
good. Yeah. So that's what I was saying about speed control.
Right.
This is an on-off switch. So we will probably wire in a speed control.
Oh, that'd be great.
It works.
That's sweet.
Both sides.
So what we found is the axle for the Power Wheels rear is actually the same diameter, or extremely close to the axle diameter of what was holding the back wheels on the cart to begin with. So this could go even easier than we had anticipated. We need to check width. I mean, it looked pretty close before, just holding it up there, but
Well, even if it's wrong though, we've got rods.
oh yeah, oh man, nifty,
Oh, yeah.
neat.
Kirk, come here, table's not going. We need to cut on the wheel centers.
No, that's fine.
Go custom.
There's a tape.
You're gonna have purple wheels. You better have custom purple wheels.
That's right.
Let's get a powder coat.
I've always actually wanted to do the bicycle tire hack on one of these. Like you said, it's where you take a tire, you cut the sidewall out of it,
Oh, yeah.
and then cut the tire and you wrap it around that, so it gets the rubber.
We need to find somebody with the worn out fat bike tires, because they're probably a wider tread.
What about Nixon? Are you
Oh man, I don't know. We're gonna make some calls, see if we can come up with somebody. Somebody's got to have some.
I'm going big here.
I like it.
Alright, so I'm just in the center section. We might have to make motor mounts.
You need to makeshift lathe, a piece of 7/16 dowel, some emery cloth and a drill. Yeah. This is custom machining via Milwaukee. Oh my gosh.
Is that what's supposed to happen?
That is so perfect. That is insane.
All right, we're buying chairs. And we're gonna convert them. We're gonna make a business.
Dude, you know how much money we can make?
$20.
Do you know how much one of these specialized chairs is to begin with?
Somewhere in there.
Oh, a couple grand.
Couple grand?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do they come with a couple? For a couple grand?
Dude. Is there an... Oh. So we'll actually have to cut that off to get it the width that we need.
No, we won't.
Look at.
Oh! It's like perfect!
Perfect.
Does Mama plan on doing any marathons with Little D? Because you could marathon.
So we need the shifter and the speed control on our list. Well, do we think we need it? I guess we could see it. I still like the speed control because you want to just, if you want to just barely.
Yeah, I think the speed
Because
control.
otherwise, right now, this still might be too much.
I think low is probably as low as you're gonna, or as high as you want to go.
What about here?
Run, Mama, run!
Yeah, I think the speed control and another forward reverse switch.
Yeah.
We make our curve panel come up and we can mount your shifter and then the speed control. I think it'd be amazing. And then figure out casters. Who's going for a ride, dude?
Yeah, I'll go for a ride.
Yeah, you keep down here. Come on, kids, let's go.
All right, Dio's going for the first ride.
So there is really.
What do you think?
Which one's high range? Hey, that's probably reverse.
Try it. Just one or the other.
I'd pick your feet up.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Taking some of the bearings we got, using them as spacers. So we need to pick up 2 more bearings. Then we're going to reutilize the rear wheels as our new front wheels because they much closer match the diameter to what our new Power Wheels rear wheels are going to be. So we'll get those. We're going to see if we can get somebody's fat tire tread, bicycle tread tire that we can make to give them some traction on these back ones. And then we're going to have to make, for that front one, we're going to have to make a new longer spindle because the tire is too tall and it's going to hit right now. So we got to make a new longer spindle. Once we get some bearings, we'll get to that. And we're also going to order a custom speed control, like a thumb throttle with more of a potentiometer as opposed to this one, which is kind of just like an on-off switch with high-low range. But that way he's got tons of variation in speed for walking behind it. So yeah, we'll get some more parts and get back to it hopefully next weekend.